In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up and restore your data in Zoho Books. Keeping a reliable backup of your accounting data is extremely important, especially before you make large updates, import records, or perform any bulk changes. A backup gives you a safety net, so if something goes wrong, you can return your data to an earlier version with much less stress. To begin, open Zoho Books and go to the Settings area. From there, find Data Administration, and then select Backup and Restore. This is the section where you can both create backups and restore previous ones when needed. Once you're in that menu, click Backup Now. Zoho Books will generate a backup file for your current data. When prompted, save that file to your computer in a location you'll remember easily. It's a good idea to store backups in an organized folder so they're easy to find later, especially if you create them regularly. In addition to manual backups, you can also schedule automatic backups. This is a great option if you want consistent protection without having to remember to do it yourself each time. Set your preferred backup frequency based on how often your data changes. You can choose daily, weekly, or monthly backups, then select where those backups should be delivered, such as a cloud location or by email, depending on what Zoho Books allows in your setup. And automatic backups are especially helpful for active businesses where transactions and records are updated often. If you ever need to restore your data, go back to the same Backup and Restore menu. This time, click Restore and upload the backup file you previously saved. Make sure you choose the correct file, since restoring will bring your data back to the exact state it was in at the time that backup was created. After uploading the file, confirm the restore action. Once the process is complete, your Zoho Books data will reflect that earlier backup version. Because of this, it's important to understand that any changes made after that backup point may no longer be included, so always double check before confirming. As a best practice, always create a backup before making bulk edits or imports. That one extra step can save you a lot of time and help prevent costly mistakes. With regular backups and a clear restore process, you can manage your Zoho Books data with much more confidence.